Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's John from Kart Daddy. For people that don't know me, I make wooden go-karts. I supply wheels and axles for all gravity races and bits and pieces to do with Berg and Dino. We keep a lot of spares for everything like from chains to sprockets to tires to inner tubes, all that sort of stuff. And today we're going to be looking at the new alloy wheels that we've got in stock. They're 14-inch and 12-inch, also in black. 12-inch in black as well. They've got the pneumatic tyres, all-terrain tread, bearings in the middle, to a nice finished edge, and the axles are the zinc plated ones here with the little groove in the end, the actual rear retainer to hold the wheel on. Here's a wheel and axle kit I'm just putting together with the 4 wheels, pneumatic tyres, the dual handbrake, and 2 axles that comes with a steering bolt, axle fixing screws, fixings for the dual handbrake, which slows both right wheels evenly, and this is the kit we're putting together for an order today. This is the bumper axle kit we do. All the fixings for the axles, the handbrake are included. These are the bumper axles, go front and back, and they're held on with 8 M8 bolts or M8 screws. It also includes the dual handbrake, like the other set, and then it goes into this box and shipped. More information on these wheels and axle sets and other combinations of wheels, including chrome wheels we have as well, with wire spokes, are all on the website at gokartdaddy.com. This will conclude this video, and thanks for watching.